Hey guys, so today we'll be unboxing Omron HEM digital blood pressure monitor. So let's unbox it. I think I can just open it myself. So I'm not using any knife or something like that. Yeah. So this is the bill, guys, and just keep it aside. Okay, so the packaging, you can see this is already damaged, so I guess the product is in good shape. So you can see it's written Omron HEM 7120. This is the model number, and here, yeah, you can just see it. Okay, just let me open it. What's in the box? Yeah, so you can see the first one, this is the machine, the main monitor. Just let me open it. Yeah, just I'm keeping it aside, and you can see in the box, this is the cup. You have to bear it in your hands. So I think the quality is good enough. Yeah, and I think there should be a 4A batteries. Just let me check, but there is no battery, guys. So this is cheating. There is no battery. Okay, just let me check if this is inside. Okay, it may be inside. No, this is not inside. Okay, so you can see that there is nothing in the box. So they are cheated. They cheated me anyway. So they didn't give me any batteries or something like that. They took like on 799, nearly 800 1800 rupees, but they didn't give me any batteries or something like that. But in the description it's written that they'll provide me with the batteries. But okay, so here are the batteries, guys. Okay, so I think that was my mistake. Okay, I'm sorry about that, because it was inside this. So yeah, I'm sorry. So just let me insert the batteries. Yeah, yeah, I think now you can rely the Amazon. Sorry, Amazon, for the bad mistake. Anyway, so these are the 4A size, I think AA size batteries. So you can just insert it here. 4 batteries you need. I think you can charge it also. Yeah, here is the point of charging. You can, but you have to buy it separately. Okay, so let me just close it. Yeah, so I think now this is ready, and this is the handcuff. Okay, so you have to just wear it. The quality is very good, as you can see. Yeah, quality is good enough. You have to just yeah, there is a clip, you can see. You have to just do this. Okay, so now the machine is ready. Okay, just let me check it. Okay, so guys, I think this is ready, and I have set it up already. So let's just start it. Yeah, you can hear the sound, and it will take a few minutes, I think. And yeah, just wait for the reading. Yeah, here are the readings. You can see the systolic reading is 122, and diastolic I think 83, and that there is a pulse, this is 89, and I guess this is normal, you know. So yeah, the machine is working perfectly. So thank you.